to help me. I did it on my own, felt a little bit difficult, but we're gonna go ahead and attack it again this time. Clean the hood. Let's get Paradox the Rapper, bro. He makes it look so easy. Damn, I mean, so far so good. Pretty much just going around, you know, the edges. Pretty much everything's pretty much done. Just gotta cut it out, go over it one more time. I'm not gonna lie, man, it's a little challenging, but I mean, with the patience and a way that you can do it, you can definitely do it yourself. So we'll get back to it. So I finally trimmed the excessive pieces around. I'm of course going to tuck that all in, and then I'm gonna go ahead and cut the edges. We'll see how that turns out, but I mean, so far, I mean, again, my first time doing this, so we'll see the finished result. Gotta say the trunk is a little bit more challenging, just to the fact that it's curved right there. So, you know, trying our best.